Hi, welcome to another drawing tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to draw a basketball with this step-by-step basketball drawing tutorial. Normally, the game is played on a rectangular court, but the size will vary depending on the level you're playing at. In the USA, professional basketball players use a 94 by 50 foot wide court. Each team can have 5 players on a court at any given time. With all that said, let's get to drawing a basketball. Step 1. Draw the backboard. Step 2. Start drawing the hoop. Step 3. Finish the net. Step 4. Add the basketball. Step 5. Add detail to the basketball. Step 6. Draw more detail to the ball. Step 7. Keep filling in the ball's pattern. Step 8. Continue adding detail to the basketball. Step 9. Add detail to the backboard. Step 10. Color in your basketball.